Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change font in Shopify. So let's get started. So if you want to change your font size and style in Shopify, what you can do is just open up your Shopify in browser, and after opening up your Shopify account in a browser, what you can do is just simply log into your account. And after logging into your account, now what you can do is just tap on this option which is online store, which is on the left side of your screen. Just tap on online store. And after tapping on online store, what you can do is just select a theme. So you can find multiple themes over here. What you can do is just select any one of those themes. I have selected a theme, and after selecting a theme, what you can do is just tap on customize. After tapping on customize, now what you can do is just tap on this option which is settings, which is also at the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on settings, now what you can do is just select any one of these options. So we are trying to change our font size and style. So what I'll do is just tap on typography. After tapping on typography, now what you can do is just change the scale of your font. So what you can do is here you can find this option which says font size scale. So what you have to do to change your font size or scale is just select any font and then again tap on the setting icon, and from here what you can do is just change the size of this font. So just slide it to the right, and after doing that, here you can see I have changed the size of my font. After selecting the size, now what you can do is, in order to change the style of that font, you just have to tap on assistance, and inside your assistance you can find this option which says change. So by tapping on change, now here you can see other fonts, and inside other fonts you can find the following fonts. So now you can select any font that you like. So after tapping on that option, here you can see I have changed the style of my font. You can select any style that you like, and after selecting the style, what you can do is just tap on select. Now after tapping on select, in the top right corner of your screen you can find an option which says save. So just tap on save, and after tapping on save, here you can see you have successfully saved your changes. So that is how you can change the size and style of your font. So that's it guys, this is how to change font in Shopify. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.